In Spanish, be very careful not to say estoy excitado if what you're wanting to say is I'm excited. Excitado basically means aroused. So if you say estoy excitado, it means I'm aroused. What you want to say instead is estoy emocionado. And instead of saying que algo te excita, something excites you, eso me excita, I would say me emociona. It fills me with excitement, with emotion. Me emociona. Estoy emocionado. And if I want to say how exciting, instead of que excitante, I would say que emocionante. So you can think of la emoción as excitement. I could also just say que emoción. What excitement. Que emoción. Now, on a similar vein, we've got estoy caliente. Lots of people think I'm hot. Caliente is hot. Estoy caliente. Estoy caliente literally means I'm horny. On a similar vein to being excitado, aroused. So if what you're feeling is heat, not being hot under the collar, you don't even want to be using estoy, really. This is one of those things that we express through the verb tener. So to say you're hot, you would say tengo calor. I have heat. And the same goes for being thirsty. Tengo sed. I have thirst. Hunger, tengo hambre, I have hunger. And being cold, instead of estoy frío, you would say tengo frío, I have cold. And finally, going back to being excited about something, estoy muy emocionado para este fin de semana. I'm very excited for this weekend. I can't wait. Lots of people think, I can't wait. No puedo, I cannot. Esperar, wait. No puedo esperar. It makes perfect sense, except it doesn't. It's a literal translation, which just sounds odd in Spanish. It sounds like you're physically incapable of waiting. I could say no puedo esperar if I'm sat in a waiting room and they tell me just 10 more minutes, just 10 more minutes. I might say no puedo esperar, tengo que volver al trabajo. I can't wait, I gotta go back to work. In that case, yes, but if you want to say I can't wait because I'm so excited, I would use a phrase like no veo la hora. No veo la hora literally means I don't see the hour. I don't see the hour of, so you could say no veo la hora de verte. I can't wait to see you. I cannot see the hour of seeing you. Which, just like this doesn't translate very well literally into Spanish, this also doesn't translate very well into English, but that's just how you'd express that same emotion and excitement when you say, I really can't wait. No veo la hora. So they're just some common idiomatic phrases to watch out for in Spanish. And you can also find loads of free resources on my website, SpanishWithJames.co.uk.